Have you ever wondered if mirrors really flip left and right? Then why don't they flip up and down? Stand in front of a mirror and raise your right hand. Your reflection raises what looks like its left hand. So mirrors flip left to right. Case closed, right? Actually, no. In fact, that seemingly obvious observation is one of the biggest misconceptions people have. Because the real answer isn't very intuitive. Mirrors don't flip left and right. They flip front and back. Think about that for a moment. When you stand in front of a mirror, you're facing it. Light rays from your face hit the mirror and reflect back at equal but opposite angles. To your eyes, your brain interprets those reflected rays as if they're coming from behind the mirror, creating the illusion that your reflection is standing behind the glass, facing you. Let's break it down. If you point to your left, your reflection appears to point to its right. If you point up, it still points up. That's where the confusion begins. When we look at our reflection, our brains instinctively imagine another person standing opposite us. That imagined rotation makes it seem as though left and right have swapped, even though they haven't. Perhaps the easiest way to understand this is to step away from the mirror and think about a simple everyday object. A glass door with a sign on it. Imagine you're standing inside a coffee shop. On the glass door, there's a sign that says push, facing outward so people outside know how to enter. You can still see the sign through the glass, but from your side, it appears backwards. Did the door flip the word? No, the sign hasn't changed. You're simply viewing it from the opposite side. A mirror works on the same geometric principle. It doesn't rearrange an object's left and right. It reflects light so that you see the object from the opposite viewing direction. Now let's prove it. Imagine a transparent sheet with 6 arrows printed on it. One points left, one right, one up, one down, one directly towards the mirror, and one points away from the mirror. Hold the sheet in front of the mirror. Look closely at the reflections. The arrow pointing left still points left. The arrow pointing right still points right. Up stays up and down stays down. But the arrow pointing towards the mirror, in the reflection, it's pointing away from the mirror. And the arrow pointing away from the mirror, its reflection points towards the mirror. That's the only direction that's actually reversed. Only the direction perpendicular to the mirror, the front-back or Z-axis. So why are we all so convinced that mirrors flip left and right? Because that's usually what we do. Imagine the same arrows are now printed on an opaque piece of cardboard instead of a transparent sheet. This time, you can't simply look through it. If you want the mirror to see the front of the cardboard, you have to physically turn it around so that it faces the mirror. And during that rotation, the left and right sides swap from your point of view. The mirror didn't flip the arrow. The rotation did. Our brains perform that same mental rotation when we compare ourselves with our reflection. We instinctively imagine another person standing opposite us and mentally rotate ourselves into their position. That's what makes it seem as though the mirror swapped left and right. But it never did. The mirror simply reflects light. The only direction it reverses is the one perpendicular to its surface. So the next time someone tells you mirrors flip left and right, you can tell them they don't. We do. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, give it a like and share it with someone who still thinks mirrors flip left and right. And if you're curious about the science behind everyday things, subscribe to Just Learning for more videos like this.